Okay, welcome to this session of physics, and here we are going to discuss about the solution to physics. And what we are going to look at here is linear momentum. So when you talk about linear momentum, what do we need to understand? We need to actually understand the definition of what momentum is. So when you talk about momentum, what are we talking about in momentum? We are going to relate momentum to impulse, and we are going to look into Newton's Newton's laws of motion, the Newton's law of motion, and we are going to see some other aspects, but basically we are going to start by discussing what momentum is, what impulse is, then we are going to talk about force and also the Newton's law of motion and how they are related to one another. And from here, we can see what we are going to start with. Like we said, the first thing is talking about momentum. How do you define a momentum? A momentum of a body is actually defined as the product of its mass and its velocity. Okay, I always want to have this short information so that we can understand and jot down something. So when you talk about momentum of a body is defined as the product as the product of its mass m and its velocity and its velocity and its velocity. So and that's v. So and mathematically we can see that momentum is given as p equals to m times v, mass times volume. And from what we can see here, the unit of mass is kilogram, while the unit of velocity is meter per second. So the SI unit of momentum, the XI unit of momentum is kilogram meter per second. And momentum is a vector quantity. Momentum